I think with business promotion, it's extremely important to actually, first of all, go digital and go hit hard on all the social media platforms. Depends on where, if your business is business to customers, then Facebook and Instagram are two big ones. If your business is like business to business, like you're selling to businesses, then LinkedIn is an absolutely amazing platform. So you need to think about, okay, if I'm selling to my customers, what are the social media platforms my customers are using? If I am selling to a younger generation that's living in remote areas, are they using TikTok? They using Chingari app or whatever? Those apps are new, they have got a higher reach, so start producing content over there. If you are develop work, if your customers are business customers, corporate professionals, what are they using? They are using LinkedIn, so you have to produce a lot of content over there. Similarly, if your customer is using Facebook, Instagram, you have to do it over there. The only challenge with likes of Facebook and Instagram is that it's already a very crowded marketplace. It's very difficult to grow organically in there, but you could still run Facebook and Instagram ads. I do a lot of pay-per-click marketing with Facebook and Instagram for my clients, and we get absolutely amazing results, much better than spending money in ads on papers or whatever. But also I try to look at these upcoming social media networks and how you can utilize them. But it's about creating content as much as you can. You know, whatever you are doing in your business, just make a video, just document it and put it out. Don't think about finish. Like a lot of people think about, okay, how am I going to appear, what am I going to say, blah blah blah. Doesn't matter. You know, just tell them, just make a very simple video and just post an update about, okay, this is what we did today. You might think that that's boring or whatever it is, but if you are showing the personality to people, if you are showing what work you are doing, it would actually help your business a lot. It takes a bit of time for it to be picked up, but you will definitely be